Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see examples using properties of logarithms. Let us say in this example, we want to expand this logarithm expression, log 23 to the power of 1 over 6 and to the base 11, like that. Okay. Step number 1. The way we want to simplify this or expand it is as follows. We're going to use the power rule of logarithms. And what is the power rule telling us? It is telling us that if we have log x to the power n, and if that is to the base a, we can write this one out as n log x to the base a. That is what is called the power rule of logarithms. We will apply this rule to the given expression, to the given logarithm expression. And what do we have? We have log 23 to the power of 1 over 6 to the base 11. Therefore, the power term comes in right in the front of the equation, 1 over 6 log 23 to the base 11. That's the way we want to expand this given logarithm using the power rule of logarithm. This is where we want to leave it. Okay. Let's look at another example. Let's say this time we want to expand a logarithm of this type, log b plus 10, and then this time we have a radical term. It is sixth root of b plus 10 to the base 9, Here I want to explain a few things, that when we have a radical term like that, square root of x, we can always express it as an exponential term, as x to the power of 1/2. If we have cube root of x like that, we can always write it out in terms of exponents as x to the power of 1 over 3. If we have fifth root of x, for example, we can write this one as x to the power of 1 over 5, and so on. If we have nth root of x, we can write this one as x to the power of 1 over n. We can always write a radical term in terms of an exponent. We can always write an exponent in terms of a radical term. And in all of these are reversible reactions. So we can always express one type in the other with respect to the other type. If we have a radical term, we can always express it as an exponential term like that. So therefore, in here, what we have is this. We have sixth root of b plus 10. Sixth root of b plus 10, we can write it as an exponent as follows. We'll write that as step number 1. We can write this one as log b plus 10 to the power of 1 over 6. Very similar to what we've been explaining on this side working area here. And then to the base 9, like that. And now we are ready to apply the power rule of logarithms to this particular expression. So the power here is 1 over 6. That comes to the beginning of the expression, 1 over 6 log b plus 10 within parentheses to the base 9. And that is where we want to leave it. This is how we want to expand these types of logarithms using the power rule. This is our answer. This is where we want to leave it. Okay. In my next presentation, we shall see more examples using properties of logarithms.